Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Liam and today I'm going to talk about things I like. So 5 things I like. Okay, so the first thing that I like is football. So I like to watch football on the TV. Okay, so I like to watch football on the TV. The second thing I like is video games. So I like to play video games with my friends. Okay, I like to play video games with my friends. Okay, so the third thing I like is the beach. So I like to go to the beach to watch the sunset. Okay, so I like to go to the beach to watch the sunset in the sky. Okay, and the fourth thing that I like is guitar. So I like to play guitar in my bedroom. Okay, so I like to play guitar in my bedroom. And the fifth thing that I like is cafes. So I like to drink coffee at the cafe. Okay, so I like to drink coffee at the cafe. My favorite coffee is latte. Latte is very, very tasty. Very good. I like latte. Okay, so now down in the comments on YouTube, you can let me know what you like. Okay, so if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos coming soon. Thank you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.